कस्टम्स की फौज फर्ज के साथी, पर्सनल हो या प्रोफेशनल, हर कुर्बानी होती है भारी। तस्करों पर नजर और तस्करी पर फुल स्टॉप होगा। अब यहां सब कुछ स्कैन होगा। गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। इस टॉप सीक्रेट मिशन में आप सबके कोऑपरेशन के लिए शुक्रिया। यह तस्करी बहुत बड़े पैमाने की है। हमें अभी अभी इंफॉर्मेशन मिली है कि गोल्ड का कंसाइनमेंट मुंबई पहुंच चुका है।
वेल, मिशन के मोड़ पर तो हम आ ही चुके हैं। आपकी मदद से कुछ राज भी अब खुल चुके हैं, पर ये सिर्फ शुरुआत है तस्करी के इस जाल की। तस्करी को सुलझाने के लिए क्या आप हैं तैयार? 14 जनवरी का है इंतजार। तालियां जोरदार, पेश है ट्रेलर दमदार।
And thank you for joining us today. I'm Tanya Bami and I'm head of series at Netflix. Happy New Year to everybody. And as you know, we celebrated our 10th birthday yesterday. Aapka pyar, aapki wishes, thank you for that. We feel really heartwarmed. There is no better way to celebrate this big milestone for us than to introduce a story that is completely fresh and a subject that's new across the Indian storytelling landscape. Taskari, or smuggling in India, is a long-standing and fairly complex problem. This crime hits the economy, security, public health all at once. Smuggling networks, or the criminals, they are fairly sophisticated in this world of crime. They're well organized, they're high tech, they really function across borders, and our heroes, our customs officers, are India's first wall against smuggling. Their job isn't just to really check bags. They're quite the magicians. You know, they're law enforcement, intelligence, and a lot of psychological work at play every time one of us crosses through that green channel, red channel. Our show, Taskari, The Smuggler's Web, will take you straight into the nail-biting rivalry between the customs officers and the smugglers. The cat and mouse chase that is signature of Neeraj's shows, the suspenseful mind games, they create a breathless experience, and I really hope, and I'm pretty sure, that you will enjoy this a lot. There's also the shiny world of the airports, the world that we all love, the world that transports us, that green channel, red channel, that we've all casually strolled through. All of that just really got real, and all because Arjun, Meena and team hai to sab kuch scan hoga. Imran Hashmi as Superintendent Arjun Meena and his team of officers stand as India's crackling line of defense against international crime in the show. This show is also really special for us at Netflix because it deepens a creative partnership we truly cherish. Our association with Neeraj and Friday Storytellers has been built on trust, ambition, and a shared belief that stories are novel, that we should tell stories of worlds that are fresh and subjects that are extremely immersive. I cannot think of any other creator who can bring a story to life about a topic as unique and understated as airports and custom officers. Thank you, Neeraj, and thank you, Raghav, for bringing Taskari to us at Netflix. Then there's the stellar ensemble cast. Sharad Kelkar, Amrita Khanvelkar, Nandish Sandhu, Zoya Afroz, and Anurag Sinha. They add to the depth of the narrative and carry the audiences along with their characters. After the thrilling journey that this dynamic team puts you through, I promise you कि बैग स्कैन करवाते समय आप सब जरूर तस्करी के बारे में सोचेंगे अगले टाइम एयरपोर्ट पे होंगे.
The spotlight. All right, Raghav, welcome and congratulations. The trailer's out. Looks very, very impactful. अब तस्करी में मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, हम सब जानना चाहेंगे कि वो कौन सा मोमेंट था शूटिंग के दौरान as a director आपके दिल के करीब है, और rather I would say which is like the most, what makes you feel proud as a director of Taskari?
आई थिंक द इंटायर प्रोजेक्ट यू कांट बोल नहीं सकते कि ये कोई मोमेंट है या कोई एक सीन है विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. आई थिंक फर्स्ट डे ऑफ शूट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द लास्ट डे ऑफ शूट ऑफ कोर्स बिकम्स वेरी वेरी पर्सनल एंड इमोशनल. But every scene that has been crafted with the research that we put into the show, with Neeraj's guidance and how we pull on everything. So, plus I think the most challenging thing I would say is the airports. You shooting at live airports with the amount of time that we get at shooting at airports and putting all of it together. I think that was one of the biggest challenge, and of course, I think one of the most memorable moments also. Yeah, so that's about it.
Yeah, and as you rightly said, you know, the effort that goes in, we only get to see the series and the output that you show to us, but there's so much that goes in, and it takes a village to create what you guys create. So kudos to you, and wishing you the best. And इसी के साथ I'm going to request both of you to please join me on the interrogation table.
Interrogation.
Yeah. नीरज सर, तस्करी के इस इंटरोगेशन टेबल पर आपका स्वागत है. Thank you so much, and congratulations to you on the launch of the trailer.
Thank you so much.
And well, ये है amazing cast, the makers, creators, all आएंगे. पहले मैं इंट्रोगेट करूंगा, उसके बाद आप सभी इन्हें इंट्रोगेट कर सकते हैं. You know, कस्टम ऑफिसर्स की नज़र तेज होती है, उनसे बचना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. जरा यहाँ पर स्कैन होता है और एक बार किसी पे शक हुआ तो उसकी थोड़ी खातिरदारी एयरपोर्ट पे हो ही जाए. मैं कहूँगा मेरे कागजात पेश किए जाए. Can I have my papers, please?
हाँ जी.
I'll get out of character and tone down myself because I've been a fan of his work. And you know, एक चीज हमने नोटिस की है कि चाहे वो फिल्म हो या वेब सीरीज, आपके काम में प्लानिंग, पेशेंस और प्रोसेस का सक्सेसफुल फॉर्मूला होता है. सो तस्करी के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग क्या था? एंड यू नो कि कस्टम ऑफिसर्स की दुनिया और सिस्टम की ऑथेंटिसिटी मेंटेन रखना या फिर सीरीज के एंटरटेनिंग फैक्टर को मेंटेन करना.
First of all, thank you for coming by, and it's a very proud moment for us to showcase this trailer to you guys. So thank you so much. सबसे challenging moment था this other side of the table, the cast that you see, to bring them all together and to tell this story in the most entertaining manner. That I believe was the biggest challenge.
Thank you, and we wish you all the best to all the cast but you guys have done a phenomenal job to the trailer. The glimpse that we've got, you know, leaving us wanting for more and more. So which is the 14th of Jan. We got to wait and watch. But I'm going to try and get some Tanya to spill some beans on that. Tanya, Netflix के लिए thrillers सिर्फ एक genre नहीं, I feel एक signature बन चुका है. And when तस्करी as a platform आपके लिए कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा exciting थी? Scale, realism या फिर नीरज पांडे सर के style of storytelling?
I don't know how to choose, so I'll say all of the above, but I think most importantly, we are big fans of Neeraj's work. You know, we love the way he tells his stories, कितने audiences से वो एक साथ बहुत simply बहुत कुछ कह सकते हैं. और सबसे एक्साइटिंग एक्चुअली मेरे लिए पर्सनली जो लगता है कि वो हमेशा एक नए वर्ल्ड को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. देयर इज ऑलवेज सो मच टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू एंड टू पील ऑफ लेयर बाय लेयर, एंड he starts off like with the tip of the iceberg, and literally by the end you're deep into the world, you understand all the characters, you understand the rules, and you're really immersed into it, which I think is, you know, all credit to his storytelling and his direction in the way he sort of brings the experience to life.
We've also taken the dive. We're waiting to, you know, get into the ocean
It's
deep
just a
down
few
and
days,
understand.
few days
अभी
more.
तो just, yeah, अभी तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर देखा है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है पूरी की पूरी series. Yeah. Raghav, my next question is for you, and
Yes, please.
लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट स्टोरी टेलिंग में सबसे ज़रूरी होता है ऑडियंस की दिलचस्पी और क्यूरियोसिटी मेंटेन रखना. समटाइम्स दिस कैन बी अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. जो एपिसोड्स आपने डायरेक्ट किए उनमें व्हाट वाज मोर टफ, स्टोरी की पेस या कैरेक्टर डिटेलिंग?
First of all, thank you for the question, and thank you everyone for coming. I think it's a combination of both. You just can't keep it एक चीज़ पे कि pace important है. I think अगर सही performance होगी, then you'll be immersed in the scene, and if you keep the pace right, so it's a combination of both these things together. And of course, we've had multiple things on set while this was happening. So I would just say it's a combination of both the things. Yeah.
So you've got the perfect concoction that you wanted.
Let's see. We've done our best.
We
Let's see
already
what
loved
happens.
it. We already loved the trailer. झलक ही हमें पसंद आ गई है. इमरान सर, आपसे है अगला सवाल. And first of all, I did mention that I'm going to repeat that and say that not just a fan of his acting skills, but also his oratory skills. One of the finest speakers that we've got. And thank you for being you. My question is, across the years, हमने आपको इतने अलग-अलग roles में देखा है. With that every new venture, we are excited कि what's next. Now, Taskari के Superintendent Arjun Meena, what is he all about?
Actually, I don't want to give too much away right now, character के बारे में. I think मैं चाहूँगा कि audience ही इस चीज़ को experience करे show के ज़रिए. I think what's interesting is जिस तरह show लिखा गया है, there are a lot of surprises, and that's inherently there in the DNA of the show क्योंकि एक thriller show है, and Neeraj ji is known to kind of, master of thrillers. When you think of thrillers, I think that his name is like there at the pinnacle. And the reason for that is that it's very, for thriller audiences, उनको surprise करना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है because they are always ahead of the curve. They know exactly, okay, अच्छा इस पे एक cliffhanger moment आने वाला है या अगला twist ये आएगा. And I'm a thriller fan also. मुझे जब episodes दिए गए थे पढ़ने के लिए, I was completely like, a lot of things in the show will take you by surprise, and wonderful cliffhanger moments throughout the show. So, yeah, I can't talk much about Arjun Meena. I think we'll let him be a mystery and let people experience it in the show.
Even if you don't spill the beans, the fact that you are leading, you're heading it, we love it already. So,
Thank you.
And we can't wait for the surprises. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And wish you the best. Thank you. Neeraj sir, मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे है. The association with Netflix India, Tanya and the team, has been long. There are several projects that you worked on. How has it been working with Netflix India?
Fab. It's been a journey that we are extremely proud of. I mean, we managed to bring some interesting stories to our audiences, and there's a certain bit of faith going over there, and that's what keeps us going. And it's been an incredible journey, and yeah, I mean it's fun. It's extremely interesting as we go along.